In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to your website dashboard using a private API key. To begin, open your Klaviyo workspace in a Chrome browser tab and go to the main dashboard. From there, head into Settings, then open API keys. In this section, locate your active private API key and copy it carefully. This key is what allows your website platform to securely communicate with Klaviyo, so make sure you're copying the correct active private key and keep it private while you work. Once that's copied, switch over to the tab where your website dashboard or content manager is already open in Chrome. You'll be doing the rest of the setup from inside your website platform, so make sure you're on the main admin area and ready to access the settings for integrations. Next, navigate to Settings, then Extensions, and then open All Extensions. This area usually contains the full list of apps, modules, and add-ons available for your site. Look through the extension listings until you find the Klaviyo integration module. When you see it, click Connect to begin linking the two platforms together. At this point, you'll be asked for authentication details. Paste the private API key you copied from Klaviyo directly into the credentials or verification field provided. Be careful not to add any extra spaces before or after the key, since even a small formatting mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. After the key is in place, choose the primary customer email list you want this integration to use. This is the list where new subscribers and synced contacts will be directed. From the drop-down menu, select the list that matches your main email marketing workflow, such as your primary newsletter list. Picking the right list here is important because it keeps your subscriber data organized from the very beginning. Finally, click Save to apply the connection settings. Once saved, the integration will automatically enable Klaviyo tracking and email capture features across your site. That includes customer sign-up forms, store activity events, and other important metrics that help you understand how visitors interact with your business. After saving, give the system a moment to finish connecting in the background. Once that's done, your Klaviyo integration should be active and ready to support subscriber syncing and event tracking across your website.